Just as with other birds, hummingbirds spend time finding a mate, building a nest, and raising young. Let's take a closer look at what that looks like in their miniature world. Male hummingbirds charm potential mates with a wide variety of displays. Some hummingbirds, like this Anna's hummingbird, hold their own personal territory to display on. Other species, like many of the hermits, will cluster together in what's called a lek, with multiple males displaying within sight and sound of each other. When they're displaying, their flashy colors come in handy. This wine-throated hummingbird male is trying to lure a female by displaying his gorget, a set of specialized throat feathers that he can move to face the female. He takes advantage of the directionality of the iridescence to make sure she gets a spectacular view. The blue-throated star frontlet has iridescent patches both on its throat and on its forehead to bedazzle a female. Males of the coquette group have elaborate ornamental feathers on their heads and necks, like this tufted coquette, that they hold aloft for display. And the marvelous spatule tail impresses females with extra long tail feathers that it pairs with iridescence on the head and body. Vocal songs are part of the courtship of some hummingbirds, like this emerald-chinned hummingbird. Courtship displays of many hummingbirds consist of a long series of side-to-side flights, or shuttles, as well as a vertical climb and a powerful dive. The wings make a zooming sound during the shuttles that can be quite loud, like this beautiful hummingbird from Mexico. In an Anna's hummingbird courtship dive display, the male dives at the female from up to 115 feet or 35 meters overhead and pulls up just over the female, making a loud squeaking sound with its outer tail feathers. Green thorntails also make a rather rude noise during their display. Females evaluate these displays based on how colorful and how energetic they are. If the female is impressed by the male's overtures, she'll choose to mate with him. Male and female hummingbirds part ways after mating, with the female completely responsible for raising their chicks. She alone finds a suitable location for a nest, usually within a thicket or other more sheltered area, and builds the nest by herself. She gathers soft materials to construct her nest, like fluffy plant fibers, moss, and animal fur. Then she binds it all together using spider webs. Some species arrange lichens around the outside to camouflage the nest within its surroundings. No matter what the nest is made of, most females do a good job of keeping their nests camouflaged. Can you see the female bumblebee hummingbird sitting on her nest? Can you even find the nest? Most hummingbirds make a small round nest shaped like a cup. The giant hummingbird looks too big for her cup nest, but it still works. Most hummingbirds build their nests on branches, but some choose less conventional locations. The speckled hummingbird weaves a nest out of mosses on a tree trunk or rocky ledge. Hermits suspend their nests from the ends of dangling leaves. And this greenbacked firecrown made her nest on a big, broad leaf. In hummingbirds, 2 eggs is a rule. The eggs are tiny, about the size of coffee beans. Just like other birds, hummingbirds incubate their eggs to keep them warm. After a couple of weeks, tiny featherless chicks hatch. The mother feeds her young with regurgitated nectar and insects. This can sometimes look uncomfortable, but it works. As the young birds grow, the nest actually stretches. The spider webs and soft materials expand to accommodate the youngsters. Before they go, juveniles practice moving their wings while clinging to the nest with their feet. After a couple of weeks, they fledge, but mom will continue to feed them for a little while longer. Eventually, the juveniles are completely independent and will go on to lead their own hummingbird lives.